Hey guys, it's Arcade and I'm back with another video, and in this one I'm going to make a video game kind of song. I'm gonna try to make a soundtrack for a final boss battle or something like that. As you can see, I changed the background in FL Studio to this Super Mario level just for some inspiration. Hopefully it's not too annoying. And today I'm gonna be using this plugin that I got by It Might Get Loud Productions, and they hooked me up with this plugin called Koji, and it's like a video game soundtrack plugin. It's perfect for this video, so that's what I'm gonna be using for the most part. And basically what I wanna do is just create this final boss battle theme song. This plugin is based on an old keyboard, so the sounds are pretty true to the 80s. And if you wanna get this plugin, there is a link in the description, and use the code ARCADE15 to get 15% off, and you can just have fun with this plugin. It has pretty interesting sounds, definitely nothing that you will find in other plugins. So yeah, now let's get started creating this theme song. So let's start with the bass first. So I had an idea before starting to have it kind of rock and roll, but let's just lower the tempo. Even more. Maybe have it go up. Yeah, that's kind of rock and roll-ish, but then we have this weird rhythm that doesn't really fit the pattern as well, but maybe we can work with that. So let's see, let's add some more sounds. Maybe this guitar. Let's see. Okay, we have to change the BPM to 160 and just extend this by half. Like this. And it should be the same speed as before because we upped the tempo. So let's see. Yeah, okay. So we're gonna work with this BPM. Hold on. Oh, I'm getting pretty lost in the melody. I mean, it kind of makes sense, but it's not as good as I would like it to be. But I'll try to continue, and maybe if it doesn't make as much sense, then I'll just try a different approach. But for now, let's continue. Let's add the drums. So there's this drum kit here. I don't know if this sounds like a final boss battle. Let me try to change this sound. have both sounds there. What about this one? These two sounds. Let me have more of high frequencies from this one. Okay, the drums are definitely not great, and there's just only one option, and for this track it doesn't really work. So I think I'm gonna use a different plugin that I got actually in my previous video that is also free. So I'll just use this plugin for drums. And there are also kind of retro drums. Yeah, I like this way more when it's combined. Okay, let's add more sounds because it's obviously kind of empty. Let's see what we can do. This organ for some chords maybe. Hold on. Let me just delete these notes. And then make chords. Maybe not a great idea. But I got another idea. Maybe something like this. Let's try a different sound. Let's see how it sounds. Just like. Okay, we can add that later, but not with the melody. With the melody, it doesn't sound good. Just like so. And we have this rock and roll chords. I kind of like it. It's interesting, but maybe a different sound. Okay, let me use this sound and then add a different melody in that second repetition. Some arpeggio maybe. Okay. Maybe not. Okay, this video and this production always ends up being about melodies. Even in my previous video, I feel like all these old songs and game music and just old songs in general were more about having fun and creating these melodies instead of focusing like on the mix and the sounds. And actually, I have a lot more fun just creating tracks where I focus on the melodies. It's just a cool feeling and you just play around. So for sure, if you just want to have fun, this is the way to go. Yeah, I'm gonna again just go up with it. Then down, and then even higher. Maybe at the end here we need like some kind of fill or something, but let me choose this sound and then one more sound that is kind of longer or something. let's have a fill at the end there, something like this. Just slap it on there. But maybe the piano can change as well. Let's see if we can just have it repeat like this. And maybe the drums as well. So at the end, just like so. Let's try to do one more melody just for fun, because I feel like we need one more change up somewhere in there, and just like an arpeggio and changed chords. And this is when the level really gets hard. Let's see if we can adjust the bass accordingly. Yeah, let me just copy this pattern we have and see if it works with this melody. So what do we have here? D, F, G, F, A. D, F, G, F, A. Okay, maybe. I feel like this sound is pretty powerful though, maybe too much. And I feel like the bass isn't as powerful now, so maybe we add one more layer to the bass. Let's see, is there a... I don't know, I need like a longer sound. Maybe this? We can change the attack. Yeah, something like that. We're gonna have these chords. Let's see. Okay, this is getting so confusing, but... Yeah. Okay, I have one more idea for this track, and that is it's gonna play again, but faster. So that's kind of where the level intensifies. So let me change the BPM. So somehow, yeah, create an automation clip. You copy this value. And it's kind of hard to change BPM in FL Studio. It's kind of uncertain where the BPM will go, because there are no numbers. I think there is a better way, but I'm not sure. So maybe just like, you see it only goes by 20. Say, I guess 20 will be enough. Okay, let's give it some color, this song. So I actually got into producing this so much that I kind of forgot to talk. So hopefully this video kind of makes sense and it was fun to watch. But here is the finished result of the work. Let's check it out. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. This was a lot of fun to make. It's fun to kind of do theme songs for like video games or movies that you are not really a part of. but you can just kind of make a theme song for the movie anyways, because why not? So sometimes on this channel I try to teach you new stuff, and sometimes I want to show you just how to have fun with music, and you don't need to want to become a big musician or a DJ. You can just load up FL Studio and have some fun, because that's what it's all about. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. Make sure to check out the It Might Get Loud productions and check out the plugin Koji and use the code arcade15 to get 15% off if you want to buy this plugin. It's not really expensive and it can be a lot of fun to play with. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.